How to set up Instagram account on Supervision on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to set up Instagram Supervision, both the parents and the teen must have personal Instagram accounts and agree to supervision. And here's how to do that. So, if you are a parent who would like to initiate supervision, you want to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up the application, go ahead and simply log in to your Instagram account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside this section, tap on three-line icon. Inside settings and activities, scroll below until you find Family Center. Then tap onto it. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Invite and select your teen account. Once you have selected it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Invite. And once you have sent the invitation to your teen, they'll have to open the message containing the supervision link and then tap the link to open it on Instagram. And all they have to do is simply tap on Allow to accept it. Once supervision is set, parents can monitor their teen's Instagram activity, including time spent on app, follower, and following changes, and also the account reported by teen. However, they cannot view private messages or control their teen's post. So that is simply how to set up an Instagram account on Supervision on Instagram. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.